guys, it's Jason here, and today we are at Niagara Falls. So behind me is the hotel we were staying at. So we're gonna go to the falls now. We're gonna go see the falls. We're gonna take the Maid of the Mist. So for you guys who don't know what the Maid of the Mist is, so it's like a little boat ride that you take at like the base of the falls, and you go and look at it. We're also gonna go look at fireworks. So it's gonna be a blast. There's Eric. So I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, we're at the falls right now. We're looking for a place to go and observe and get tickets for the Maid of the Mist. So look at that. That's the American side over there, so over there will be the American border. And over there is the bush, which is the Canadian side. Now, the story has it that a long time ago, around maybe 200-300 years ago, the falls spanned the entire place over there, so now it's eroded back a bit. It is separated into two falls. So, when the first settlers came here, this entire place was all one fall. So there isn't too much to see right now. So I'll keep in touch with you guys on what's going on. Here's Eric again, KaTBooster. Son, dude. Alright, again, there isn't much going on, so I'll keep in touch and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, check this out. Got my mist poncho ready to go. So, there's the boat over there. Got my poncho ready. So, fun is to be had, hopefully. So, I'll update you guys when we get on the boat. We have now boarded the Maid of the Mist, or whatever the heck it's called. So we're on the boat. We're gonna travel near the falls. We're not gonna get too close to it because we all know what happens when a boat hits a rock. So you know all these peeps here. And there's the American Falls. And those are the Horseshoe Falls, aka the Canadian side. So we're gonna wait for the boat to move, and then I'm gonna try to get a little bit of clips in there for you guys. So without further ado, I will see you guys when the boat starts moving. Alright guys, so we're moving right now. My brother KaTBooster is vlogging too. So over there is the bridge to the Canadian/US border. There's the observation deck. So I'm not sure exactly where we're going right now.
As we make our way up the Niagara River, look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island.
Yeah, you know.
According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 108 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line, 1,070
Unfortunately, you guys don't get to feel this right now because it's all on camera.
And the recent water in 1950, a large section of the fall fell to the end.
There are people up there watching us from below.
That's okay. That's good, but
It's okay. So what I like to say is that the American side is smaller because Americans can't have anything nice. So that's why the Canadian side is bigger. And there's people going next to the falls. So there's two vantage points that you can go and see the falls. You got the base down there, and you got that up there.
wait, now you go to the big one. That's all right.
Alright, so the boat is picking up pace now. And we're headed towards the Horseshoe Falls, which is over there. So, like I said, a long time ago, this entire cliffside over here, which connected the American side to the Canadian side of the falls, it used to be all waterfalls. So, when the first settlers came here in around the 1600s, this was all waterfall right here. Now, obviously, that was like 300 years ago. So, the forces
Niagara
of the
Falls,
oceans.
more specifically, is the name of three waterfalls: the American, the Bridal Veil, and the Horseshoe Falls. The Canadian side of Niagara Falls, with the highest flow rate and natural beauty, located between Goat Island and Taylor Rock, is known as the Horseshoe Falls.
Goat Island,
As a natural
Metro Boomin'
wonder,
Island.
the Horseshoe Falls name is derived from the crescent or horseshoe shape of the crest line. And the city of Niagara Falls, in all its natural beauty, continues to be a holiday spot for millions of visitors each year. Geological studies and the history of Niagara Falls indicate that thousands of years ago, the falls was 11 kilometers downriver from its current location. Erosion was a major issue associated with Canadian Falls. The average rate of erosion of Niagara Falls was as much as 1 meter per year until the early 1950s. Since then, the water diversion channels and canals used for generating electricity have decreased the water flow, reducing the erosion of Niagara Falls, and to this day, Niagara Falls remains a clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world taller, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world by volume of water flowing, at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet or 52 meters. The estimated crest line, 2,200 feet or 670 meters wide. And the depth of the river at the base of the falls, 184 feet or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Here we go, guys. The Canadian side, all of its beauty. So all this foam that's in the river right now is dissolved limestone. There it is.
My phone is getting soaked right now. But that's okay because it's totally worth it.
There's KaTBooster getting soaked.
So obviously, this is as close as we can get. Boats can't travel up a waterfall, as we know, due to gravity. I have so much water in my mouth right now. Man-made structures cannot match the awesome power of nature right now. Look at that. Look at me. This is why we gotta save the planet, guys. So that we can continue to see stuff like this. Remember your 3 R's. Use, refuse, and recycle. Look, I wouldn't call you. Look, there's another fall over there. Wow. Look, you gotta go see? Come here. Because without nature, we wouldn't have awesome stuff like this. Alright guys, that is it for now. So I'll catch you in the next one. Alright guys, we just got off the boat like a little while ago. So right now, they have this light show on over the falls. That's the American side. And if you'll bring your attention over here, the Canadian side is over there. If I can zoom in, there it is. Pretty colorful. There's the rest of the city over there. And we'll bring your attention back. The American Falls over there. Pretty. So, and then we got the zip lines up there too. No one's up right now. But yeah, this is all we got for now. Pretty cool. A lot of people here at night. So I'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, so we're on top of an observation deck and we're waiting for fireworks to happen. There was one that just happened, but I kinda missed it in that nick of time. So what'd you say? Wow. The what? I have no idea where the fireworks are, guys. So if I don't catch any right now in this immediate video, I'm sorry. So again, if I don't catch any in this immediate video, I'll probably do another video, like another clip. Wait, hold up. Something just happened. Alright. If there aren't any fireworks in this video, I'll probably do another clip on it. If I can catch it, because the last time I didn't. So I'm gonna end this little clip here.